My name is Amanda Peter and my metric number is 270809.
My name is Nur Adila binti Muhammad Ghazali. My metric number is 269862.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Firzana binti Muhammad Rafi. My metric number is 272643.
Good morning. My name is Nur Sakina Izzati binti Syairan. My metric number is 270345.
Hi, my name is Marcella Mecaninus and my metric number is 269945.
Good morning, Mr. Bakan and Mrs. Sheila. I'm sorry to say that due to the seriousness of COVID-19, we will have to do this meeting online. I'm Marcella, your account executive from D&D Company. The other two in this chatting room are my assistants, Amanda and Adila.
Good morning, Mr. Bakan and Mrs. Sheila. I'm Amanda.
Good morning, Mr. Bakan and Mrs. Sheila. I'm Nur Adila binti Muhammad Ghazali.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, regarding to the resignation of my previous account executive, I will have to find a new account executive to take over his place. I will look forward for the smooth cooperation after your company.
Sure, Mr. Bakan, we will do our best.
Well, I assume you have seen our company's financial statement for last year. This is only our second year of operation. I think there shouldn't be any problem with our financial statements, right?
Yes, we have seen all your company's previous statements, Mrs. Sheila. There is something missing from your previous documents, but we had prepared a new proper set of financial statement for your company. There are few things we will have to point out for this meeting. Amanda, could you explain to Mr. Bakan and Mrs. Sheila the new set of financial statement?
Yes, sure. Mr. Bakan, Mrs. Sheila, after looking at your company previous statements, we noticed that the previous account executive only prepared your company financial report until the statement of account only. And there are 3 other statements that are missing.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that because my previous account executive mentioned that as long as the account or statement balance in both debit and credit, then it's correct. Isn't it?
Yes, it is right to balance the debits and credits of the trial balance, but it is also important for a company to prepare the statement of profit and loss, statement of change in equity, and statement of financial position.
Why are these 3 statements important?
First one is the statement of profit and loss. This statement is a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specific period, usually a fiscal quarter or year. It is one of 3 financial statements every public company should issue quarterly and annually. These statements provide an in-depth look at a company's financial performance.
The second financial statement is Statement of Change in Equity. This statement shows the change in an owner's or shareholder's equity throughout the accounting period. It is important because it allows the analysis and reviewers of financial statements to see what factors cause a changes in owner's equity during the accounting period.
The third important financial statement is Statement of Financial Position. It helps users of financial statements to assess the financial health of an entity. It is important in determining the state of the entity's liquidity risk, financial risk, credit risk, and business risk. Analysis of the statement of financial position could therefore assist the users of financial statements to predict the amount, timing, and volatility of entities' future earnings.
After hearing the importance of these 3 statements, I believe a proper financial statement is needed
Yes, Mr. BKAN. Financial statements are useful for making decisions regarding expansion and financing. They also figure into marketing decisions, providing data indicating which aspect of the company operation provide the best return on investment. The information of statements provide feedback that help the company to make minor adjustments and also determine its overall directions.
I really appreciate for you guys for your explanation. So, is there any other thing missing or need to be corrected on our financial report?
Yes, there is, Mrs. Sheila. Besides missing of financial statement, we noticed that there had no adjustment been made. Before financial statements are prepared, additional journal entries called adjusting entries should be made to ensure that the company's financial records follow the revenue recognition and matching principles. Adjusting entries are necessary because a single transaction may affect revenues or expenses in more than one accounting period, and also because all transactions have not necessarily been documented during the period.
Okay, we will trust you guys, and please make sure to amend all the mistakes in the financial report. Thank you.
Take care and goodbye, Mr. BKAN and Mr. Sheila.